Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I've been very busy with my student account over time, but today I'm going to display my own personal account because as I'm working on my student account, I've been working on my own account too. So as you can see on the screen, this is the result which my software has been giving me also on my ClickBank affiliate platform. So remember, I'm for those people that are just watching for the first time. I'm Skyward by name. I'm an affiliate marketing coach, and I'm also a software developer. I've developed several softwares, and due to the problem I encounter on my affiliate marketing business, which is the difficulty in getting organic leads and having sales on my platforms, I've worked on my own personal software which I've been using, which gave me this beautiful result which you are seeing on the screen. My software work by gathering leads and from social media platforms and search engines, and directing these leads to my platform and sending for them to access my goods and service on my affiliate platform. So remember, if you want to get the software today and start earning real good on any of your affiliate marketing platform, because my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, it can be used on other affiliate marketing platforms. If you want to get the software today and start earning real good like the one I have on my screen here, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on my Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me through the number you can see on the screen. And remember, I manage accounts for my students, which is one of the reasons why I've been busy to make many videos, because many of my students are yet. I'm here to make videos for many of my students. Yes, I'm just working on their account. I'm managing accounts for my students, and I've been very busy with that. So remember to get the software today. You can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Get the software today and start earning real good. Join the clique of the smart ones that are making use of the opportunity, because it is not about this hard work, it's about the smart work. The game has really changed, and it's not really about how much link you can share, but how smart you are to get the resource and the software that are available to promote your goods and services to the targeted traffic. Because my software work by targeting traffics. Yes, because there are some kind of particular locations which are known for some particular products, and my software, in my video course, you will get the full details of what I'm saying, because my video course contains how will take you step by step on how to use my software, on the kind of good to market to a particular location, on the type of many secrets are embedded in my video course apart from the software alone. So when you get the software, you get a full package of my bagged secrets. I've been into this business for a while, and I've bagged a lot of secrets and a lot of experience. My video course contains a lot of experience and a lot of secrets and points which will help you become a successful affiliate marketer. Remember, it's not about the hard work, it's about the smart work. So join the clique today and start earning real good. If you don't learn, you won't earn. So contact me on my Gmail today at skyward07@gmail.com to get the video course and my software, or contact me on my Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Contact me on my Gmail today at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Thank you.